All right, it's time to update you on all the cool van life things that are happening with the adventure van. And where we are still in need of some repairs. So let's take a look at the things that are still on the list. It's true, we've had this adventure van now, we're going on 2 months. And if you ever buy anything new, you know you're gonna spend a lot of time in the shop. So here's some things that we're still working on getting fit. Let's have some fun. Here we go. Let's talk about the number one thing that everyone wants to know about. It is the dun 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 amazing window that still leaks. Sorry about that. We're still working on it. We did find out that it is a Thor window, and Thor is going to fix it. It's not a Dodge thing because Thor put in these side windows, so they're going to fix it, but I am going to miss the smiley face. Just saying, it's been a lot of fun. Next on the list is the drippy faucet. We still have a drippy faucet. It is fabulous. It's a typical faucet, nothing too special about it, but it still drips. So this means every time that we're in transit, it's dripping and we can't put the cover on to cover the faucet. We always have to make sure it's going down the drain. So faucet, still on the list. I'm a big fan of a disco light. I'm not a big fan of a LED light that flickers. So that lovely flickering light still needs to get fixed. On the list. So we also have a pedestal table. You can see where my laptop is here that folds out. It's really handy, but it has a really big crack in the side of it. And it also doesn't come out flat. It sort of has this angle on it. That's got to get fixed and replaced. So we've already put in a ticket on Thor for that one, and hopefully they're going to send us a new pedestal to have that completely taken out and reinstalled. So something that did get fixed was the trim on the bathroom door that was starting to stick. So they sent a mobile RV tech out to fix it. So yay for mobile RV techs. So to give you just a little bit more information about the window that's not working, as you can see, the red is up, which means it's not locked. So if the red is up, it's not locked. If it's down, it's locked, and that's part of the problem. If it were to lock, we wouldn't have any leakage. So we're hoping we can get that fixed relatively soon because we have quite a few trips coming up, and if not, we're just going to be strolling through different towns with that smiley face on the side of the adventure van. All in all, I'm really happy with the van. Anytime you buy any new kind of rig, there's always going to be something. And so far, so good. It rides like a dream. I love the way we can get around and go and do things. So I'm really happy we made the decision to go with the van. But yes, there's always going to be something, and we'll just keep in touch and let you know how it's going. Thanks for following our journey. And we really appreciate all the support and comments we've gotten about ways to help us fix our van. So if you want to learn more about van life, and learn about all of our adventures or misadventures, please follow us. Subscribe and like, and we have a Yappy Hour every Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time where we talk about all of our adventures live. Please come and join us.